Living in Clermont means enjoying beautiful weather for much of the year, but it also comes with the challenges of a warm and humid climate. High heat, frequent rain, and constant humidity can take a toll on your home's comfort and energy efficiency. While many homeowners focus on windows and insulation, your doors play a critical role in keeping your home cool, dry, and efficient. Choosing the right energy-efficient doors for Clermont's unique climate can make a noticeable difference in utility bills, comfort, and durability. Why energy-efficient doors matter in Clermont. Doors are more than just entryways. They act as barriers between your indoor environment and Florida's demanding weather. Older or poorly designed doors often allow hot air and humidity to seep inside, making it harder for your air conditioning system to maintain comfortable temperatures. This increases energy consumption, drives up cooling costs, and can even lead to moisture problems inside your home. Energy-efficient doors, on the other hand, are engineered to reduce heat transfer, block drafts, and resist moisture damage. For Clermont homeowners, this means better climate control and significant long-term savings. Best energy-efficient door options. Fiberglass doors. Fiberglass doors are one of the top choices for Clermont's climate. They are highly resistant to warping, rotting, and swelling, which makes them ideal for humid conditions. Their foam-filled insulated cores help block heat transfer, keeping your indoor temperatures stable even during the hottest summer afternoons. Benefits: durable, low maintenance, excellent insulation. Best use: front and back entry doors. Steel doors with insulated cores. Steel doors are another excellent option for energy efficiency. They feature insulated cores that provide strong thermal resistance. While durable, they need proper finishes to prevent rusting in humid climates like Clermont's. Benefits: strong security, great insulation, affordable. Best use: entry doors where security is a top concern. Vinyl patio doors. Sliding or French patio doors made from vinyl frames are energy efficient and moisture resistant. They often come with double or triple pane glass that includes low emissivity coatings to reduce heat gain. Vinyl's resistance to humidity makes it a smart choice for Clermont homes. Benefits: excellent moisture resistance, customizable, efficient glass options. Best use: patio or backyard entrances. Impact-resistant glass doors. In Florida, weather events can also pose a threat. Impact-resistant glass doors are not only energy efficient but also provide protection against storms and high winds. These doors combine laminated glass with insulating layers, keeping homes safe while reducing energy loss. Benefits: safety, insulation, storm protection. Best use: entryways and large patio openings. Features to look for in energy-efficient doors. Insulated cores. Look for foam-filled fiberglass or steel cores to reduce heat transfer. Weather stripping. High-quality weather stripping around the frame prevents drafts and keeps humidity out. Low-E glass. For doors with glass inserts, low-E coatings reflect heat while allowing natural light. Durable frames. Materials like fiberglass, vinyl, or treated steel perform best in humid climates. Professional installation matters. Even the most advanced door won't perform properly if it's not installed correctly. Professional installation ensures a tight fit, proper sealing, and long-lasting durability. In Clermont's warm, humid conditions, precise installation is key to avoiding moisture infiltration and energy loss. Final thoughts for Clermont homeowners: energy-efficient doors are more than just an upgrade, they're a necessity. With the right choice of materials and professional installation, you can reduce cooling costs, improve comfort, and protect your home from the challenges of Florida's climate. Whether you opt for fiberglass, steel, vinyl, or impact-resistant glass, investing in energy-efficient doors today means a cooler, more efficient, and more secure home tomorrow.